Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this video I am reviewing Porter Finance. So as you know, I like to go through the pros and cons first of each broker that I review. So let's go through the pros and cons of Porter Finance. So the pros are they have max returns up to 83%, and they do accept USA traders as well. They accept traders from around the world. Currently, they are not licensed or regulated, and I believe they have limited banking options, but I'm sure they'll be adding more options in the future, but at the moment they have very limited banking options. So moving on to a bit about the company, they were founded in 2014, not currently licensed or regulated, and the company is known as just Porter Finance, and they're headquartered in the UK. So you're going to get returns up to 83%. They offer a minimum deposit of $200, a minimum trade of $10, a max trade of $2,500, and not currently offering any demo accounts. And your withdrawal times are expected to be between 3 to 7 business days. It'll probably take longer if you haven't done your KYC documents, or if you're withdrawing via wire, it usually takes a bit longer to clear. And you can deposit in euros, pounds, USD, and Australian dollars. And I also believe you can deposit in Canadian dollars. So yeah, they're very limited banking options, but the ones they do have are the most popular options, being credit cards and a wire transfer. So you should know the withdrawal policy before you deposit in any broker. So I'll go through Porter Finance's withdrawal policy. The first withdrawal of the month is free. However, any additional withdrawals will incur a $30 charge. Any funds invested via credit card can only be withdrawn to the same card and cannot exceed that amount. Any additional funds can be withdrawn via wire transfer. So that just means if you deposited $200 via credit card, and just say you have $500 in your balance, you can only actually request a withdrawal up to $200 back onto your credit card, and the additional $300 is going to have to be another separate withdrawal on a wire transfer. So every single broker has these standard KYC documents. So that will just be a matter of providing a proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of payment. So if you accept a bonus, you should be aware of the bonus terms and conditions. So I'll go through them right now, the most important parts. So in order to withdraw any funds, you will be required to execute a minimum trading volume, which is dependent upon the bonus amount. So if, for example, the volume may be 30 times for every $1 bonus. Funds can only be withdrawn when the preceding stipulation has been fully met and fulfilled. This includes the original deposit amount. So if you deposit $200 and accept a $200 bonus, you're going to have to generate a turnover of 30 times $200 before you can withdraw your original deposit and any bonus money awarded, and any actual winnings as well. So the trading platform is on spot option. Expiry times are between 60 seconds all the way till end of day. You can trade by downloading an app on either Android or Apple. Option types are high, low, ladder, one touch, 60 second, and they cover all the popular assets. So if Porter Finance is not interesting to you, there are some alternatives that run on the same trading platform. So if you're from the US, that would be Cherry Trade and Go Options, and if you're outside the US, I recommend Bank to Binary, Option Rally, or UK Options. So you can click the little broker tab at the top of this video to go to those brokers and read those reviews. So if you're interested in some signal services, currently Porter Finance will work with a number of signal services, that being Signals 365, Markets Gear, and John Anthony Signals. I recommend clicking the little signals tab at the top of this video, and you'll be taken to that page where you can read more about those signals. Currently it's not compatible with any auto trading robots. So moving on to my scams and complaints watch section. As Porter Finance is a new broker, I have not found them to be associated with any bonus or promotional scams, but this will be continued to be monitored. If you have any unresolved complaints, they can be escalated to me, and I'll do my utmost to actually see if I can get those complaints resolved. A lot of the time it's just a miscommunication that can be resolved. So I'm interested to hear from you. I'd like to know if you have any questions about Porter Finance and whether you actually successfully cashed out. Did you have any complaints or concerns about Porter Finance? Please comment below this video. And if this is one of the first times you've watched one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This is the best way to bookmark my sites. Every time I upload a new broker review, signal review, or trading strategy, you're going to be the first to watch it. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.